In recent hours, the municipality of Ecatepec, in the state of Mexico, has faced a severe emergency situation due to intense rains that have caused widespread flooding in several neighborhoods. The phenomenon, caused by a major storm, has caused drainage systems to overflow and water to accumulate in streets and main avenues, hampering mobility and putting homes, businesses, and the safety of residents at risk. The water level in some areas has reached considerable heights, entering homes and businesses, causing significant material losses and leaving several families in urgent need of shelter and assistance. The most affected areas include neighborhoods such as San Agustín, Valle de Aragón, and Jardines de Morelos, where residents have had to improvise barricades and use water pumps to try to stop the water from entering their properties. The currents carry garbage and debris, worsening the situation and increasing the risk of contamination. Public and private transportation has been severely affected, with vehicles stranded and routes interrupted, while civil protection authorities and emergency services work to evacuate and provide support to critical areas. The force of the current in some streets has been strong enough to sweep away heavy objects, highlighting the magnitude of the disaster. In several parts of Ecatepec, persistent rains have overwhelmed the drainage system, causing water to accumulate rapidly and leaving no time for an immediate response. Images and videos shared by residents show avenues turned into veritable rivers, with water reaching doors and windows of single-story homes. Local merchants have had to close their businesses to avoid further damage and losses, while residents try to rescue essential belongings from the advancing waters. Furthermore, fallen power lines and damaged electrical wiring have left some areas without power, further complicating the situation. The intensity of the rainfall and saturated urban terrain have increased the risk of further flooding, especially if the rains continue in the coming hours. Experts have indicated that the accumulation of garbage in sewers and uncontrolled urban growth contribute to these phenomena, having a greater impact on municipalities like Ecatepec. Given this situation, the population remains on alert, adopting preventive measures and seeking higher ground for shelter, while relief and drainage efforts remain active to mitigate the impact of this extreme event, which has tested the community's resilience.